Hi guys, in at Paint Tape, we are down at the Academy and we're just about to unbox the Wagner SF23 Pro. So let's do this. Okay, first things first, it's a 110, which is brilliant. So it means that we're going to be able to use this bad boy on most of our projects, which is new build. So obviously we're site ready. That's always good. Snazzy little toolkit, which not everybody does, in all fairness, but it's really good to have a little toolkit with obviously the right stuff. So we've obviously got multiple, okay, so that will fit pretty much every coupling in there. Cleaning pipes, a few other spanners. It's just really cool to have your own little Wagner toolkit to put it all together. Suction tube and dump tube. I'm not sure what gun it is, we'll have a look in a second. Couplings, and then a 15-meter standard 1/4 inch Wagner hose. So let's have a quick look what gun they've given us. Okay, we've got the 4-finger Vector Pro. And as expected, oh bloody hell, 519. It's a new one for the box. We're usually in it with 517. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all this together and fire it up, make sure everything's cool. Right, let's do this. Right, one of the things you need to consider is the fact that most machines come with a 15-meter hose, but it's a thicker diameter, which is 1/4 inch. What we recommend is opting for a very thin, flexible hose. So you can see the clear difference. This is going to give you a lot more access getting in and around all these awkward areas. This is also a 7.5, so it's shorter. It's not going to take as much product to get going. They're just really handy. You can run multiple hoses. You can run probably up to about 100 foot. So you can leave this obviously in one area and then just drag around the hose and just keep working. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fit this. We've just removed obviously the original. It's pretty straightforward. Obviously this is what we call the inline section, which obviously inline is in line with the hose and the gun. So any kind of connections that are going to be pressurized, you need to obviously give it a bit of a nip. All right, don't over tighten. When you set it up, if you see any kind of leakage, just turn the machine off, turn the pressure down and just nip it back up again. What we're going to do is obviously just fix the gun, again pretty straightforward. This time you're going to need 2 spanners. Nip it up. So again, just give it enough to bite. The other bonus you're going to have is when you start packing this machine away, the flexibility of this hose is so much better, so it keeps it a little bit more compact for packing away. Whereas the bigger hose, it won't allow this much flexibility. So that's all set. So we've obviously changed the hose, and look, you can see how flexible this is going to be. It makes a massive difference. Cool. Okay, so we just added the extension bar. Obviously they come in different lengths. This one is one we find particularly good. Then what we do is we add the tip guard. Tighten the tip guard all the way, okay, until it doesn't move. I mean, it'll spin, and then you loosen it. Just see how it's rattling. That's going to make your life a lot easier for literally sliding in the tip. Okay, and tighten it up, spin it round until we're all level. Good to go.